Wanna know how to enter events in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game and you should be under this interface right here. So, we have also created a video on how to open, install and log into Raid Shadow Legends, so make sure to watch that. So once everything is done, in order to join events, it's super simple. So this is specifically for new players. So there should be event almost every day or weekly or according to the pass or the day itself of the game. So on the right hand side you should be seeing this event icon right here, that should be right above deals. So you can just simply select that. So now here should be a bunch of events according to the days that you're playing, and for me right here it's a gear enhancement event. So you can upload artifacts or upgrade artifacts in this one. So you can also see the starting time in this one. So if it's there, you can just simply select it and enter the event. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.